Section 5, Programming in C++. During this section, we're going to cover C++, basically an introduction to C++. Using the force, we're going to learn how to install a compiler. The famous Hello World program. That's right, we're going to build our very first Hello World app using C++. Printing statements. Here we're going to learn how to create output statements. Intel gathering. Basically, we're just going to learn how to create input methods for the interactive user. And then finally, we're going to go into mathematics. Put math into it by adding input and numbers in our program. Introduction to C++. The scripting language is a general-purpose programming language with imperative, object-oriented, and even generic programming features. This language is one method we can use to develop mobile apps, video games, or even computer-based applications. Now, C++ can also be integrated with servers for e-commerce, web searching, and even SQL Server querying. C++ is amongst one of the few predecessors to the scripting language C. In 1983, C with classes was renamed to C++. And then later on in 1989, C++ 2.0 was released, and some of the new features include multiple inheritance, abstract classes, and even static member functions. Now, C++ had evolved rather slowly, all the way up until 2011, when C++ 11 was a new standard release. And this release added several other functionalities that we can use in almost any circumstances in today's development world. Now, C++ has options for object storage, in which supports 4 types of memory management. We could utilize static storage, thread storage, automatic storage, and finally dynamic storage. By using variable pointers, we can also we can inherit other objects and strings from other sources, such as servers, strings, variables, arrays, etc., etc.